Monday, the 21st of December. We're approaching Christmas. The Santa Claus rally appears to be on. Let's take a look at some stocks that are starting to participate quite nicely. AMPG kept breaking out of the base 2 weeks ago. Now then had a falling wedge on low volume. Today it popped. Volume wasn't as big as I'd like it to be, but it was 29% gain. And it looks to me like your targets are going to be 3 and then 3 3/4. Let's see if it can extend beyond that into the 4 range. Avxl exploded on drug news today and went vertically from 820 to 1150, finished at the upper end of the range, 11 1/4, up 262 at 30% gain. Mine was the biggest I've seen all year at 7.6 million. That is a key breakout for me. Right now, there's a distinct possibility that this one extends all the way up near 13, 14 range. CRNT, beautiful long-term base. Look at the move this is out of late. And then the orderly retrace. Looks like a falling wedge of sorts, but within the confines of a really bullish pattern with good technicals. Today it popped, jumping 30 cents. Now that's a 7% gain, not a huge run. And the volume was 1.8 million. But I like the overall look of this chart. And should it get up about 5, we can see 6, maybe 7. DXYZ with a pop, coil pop, and now a flag of sorts. May have popped today. I think this stock has huge potential. Now, the company that has a big private investment in SpaceX, and Wall Street's starting to notice it. Anyway, the story is right now that this looks like it could be back to retest the old high of 77 and maybe move towards 90.95. Laes, the junior semiconductor group, is hot. This one, along with a few others we follow. Take a look at the wedge that broke out today with an abandon spike up 295 to 598, a 3-point run, closed up 310, 113% gain, and it traded a mere 175 million shares. Incredible. There is a little bit of resistance up there at around 6, 6 1/4, but I think the stock may get to 8 or 9. NBIS maybe have rebounded again. We put a swing on this one. As you know, it's looking like today was an engulfing bullish bar near support. Line picked up a little bit, but I need to get this one to go 32.3, 38.40, and we'll see where it goes from there. NFE exploded. That was a good day trade for us today as it ran from 12.12 to 14.76 and finished 14.60 just off the high. Up 264, 22% gain on 10.7 million. Extension target is 16. And then this whole group, after consolidating for 4 weeks, may be ready to make another move. It looks like it popped out, but I want to see this one NNE through 29.65 to get it rolling into 34 and 38. Navitas, one of the other junior semis we follow, really had a nice rebound in the last 2 sessions, going from about 275 to almost 4. Today jumping from 317 to 395, closing 391, up 74 cents, 23% gain. Mine was a solid 14 million for this stock. I'm now looking for a retest of the 4 3/4 5 zone. QBTS, boy, the Q stocks are running. D-Wave, Quantum, look at this chart. It is dynamite, and it looks to me like it could even go higher. Now looking for a move that may take it to the mid to high teens. QUBT, one of our swing trades, nice little consolidation going on. Once we get to 29, I'm looking for a big move. It could take this into the high 30s, low to mid 40s or more. QUIK, an old favorite of ours that didn't work after breaking down here and having a long multi-month downtrend from the base. I believe it broke out today. We put a new swing on it. Only exploded from 8 to 10, finished 930 up 146, an 18% gain. Line was 550,000. This is a thinly traded stock, but it can scoot. Target 11 and 13. Rgti's been phenomenal for the last month and literally has gone from $1.25 to 13. How about that for a move? 10-fold increase in a month. And yet, does it look done to you? No. It pulled back a couple of days and looked like it was going to come down. Big volume traded, and all of a sudden turned around, holding support. Right now, my target is 16, 17, 18. Rum exploded today. I believe they did some financing news, but the bottom line is it broke out of a big base and exploded into resistance. But if it extends and it closes above it, I believe. If it extends here, we might see 17, 18 next. Tesla tracking ETF TSLL, after coming down for 3 days, bounced off the trend line near the moving average and lateral price support. If we can follow through here, the targets are 35.5 and 40. UMAC, big run up last month, then a pullback, and now it may have broken back out again. Today it popped $1.89 at 15%. Volume increased 6 million. That was looking good for a run back up into the high teens. VRAR, came down for a day or so and then reversed. Today it followed through a little bit, up 50 cents or 14%. But it looks like this one has real good energy, and if we get volume, we may retest the high at 7 plus. And finally, WKEY, after exploding and pulling back from a 3-session retracement, has pulled right back up again and rebounding from the pullback low of 5 3/4 to today's high, 10.33, almost doubling in 2 days. Your target, 14. And that's it for tonight. Have a great evening, everybody.